Hello, lovely people. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today I am fixing dinner at breakfast time. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I don't even think it's 9 o'clock, y'all, yet. But hey, I got to get it in the best way I can. My daughter has to work today, so I want to make sure she eats good before she goes into work today. And my son's hanging out with his friend girl, so hey, I'm going to have the day to myself to do content. Today is the day that I film all my content for the whole week. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of content filming today, but I'm just cleaning up. Look at the roof of that microwave. Oh my God. Oh my God. So what I'm trying to say is I'm starting to decide that I need to figure out a way to be at home with my children more. You know what I'm saying? Them waking up and seeing me gone is old. It's gotten old, y'all. Yeah, they teenagers, but they still need us in the home. So I said, well, I'm going to get up in the morning, go ahead and do my Uber, Lyft, or Walmart Spark, or whatever platform, income driven platform I could be on, and make my money and then come back home to my children. And I'm telling y'all, when they woke up this morning and saw me in the house, it's just like they were small again. Little children happy to see mommy home. So that's what I'm gonna have to incorporate, y'all. And I'm telling y'all the same thing. If you're a single parent or you're a parent out there, you know what I'm saying, you grind all the time, you know what I'm saying, we gotta figure out a way to make this money still and be home with our children. They miss us no matter how old they are. They still want us to want to wake up and see us in the home. And plus, with us being there, they feel more safe and secure, and we can monitor things more. You know what I'm saying? When I worked a lot, all my stuff in my house was even getting missing or tore up or broken, or, you know what I'm saying, they was acting out a little bit because I was working all the time, just grinding, you know what I'm saying, trying to provide. But I said, let me calm down, let me figure this thing out, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure this thing out no matter what. And I mean no matter what. Y'all see my lily? I'm hanging on to my lily. I don't know if y'all remember a couple months ago, I did a loan closing. The lady was a owner of a florist boutique, and she gave me a lily as a gift. She just gave it to me. So I've been holding on to it, but I just can't grow it for the world. So I'm going to join a Facebook group about people that do grow flowers, and hopefully I get some techniques. So this is what I've been using for hand soap. I don't buy that hand soap no more because they go through it like you would not believe. So I just use regular Palmolive dish soap and mix it in this foam container that I got at the $1.25 store, and boom, there you go. If they want to wash their hands, they can do that. This right here, y'all know this is my go-to. This Dawn right here spray, OMG, y'all need to get that. If y'all haven't got onto this yet, y'all need to. And these washcloths I get, they are baby washcloths, y'all, because whenever they would have to wash dishes, they wouldn't wring them out. So the washcloths would get so stinking, like you hate that smell in it. So when I started using these baby washcloths that I got from the $1.25 store, even if they don't rinse the washcloth off, it doesn't have that stinking mildew, disgusting smell to it. So if y'all want to look into the $1.25 store to the baby section and get these washcloths, man, I'm telling you, it is a game changer. If you got young people in the home, they don't really want to do wash the dishes, so they don't care anyway. But yeah, this is what I've been using, these baby washcloths. And there go my Dawn. Yeah, I had to represent my Dawn, y'all. I'm telling you, it's a little pricey, but you can get it on sale.